Rose symbolize love.
No rain.
This is Naren conquering communication with you all. Guys, I came to the local florist shop out here in my locality and I wanted to answer this question this Valentine's Day. Why does a rose symbolize love? You see, there might be a lot of mythology, a lot of story, a lot of Greek paintings that show lovers giving each other roses. I don't want to get into the mythology of it. But basically, the basic practicality of why I think roses symbolize love. You see, 100 years ago, 80 years ago, if a lover wants to give their loved one a rose, what do they have to do? They have to go into the wild. They have to then pick out a plant where they see the rose blossoming, pick out a beautiful rose, risk themselves because there's a lot of thorns in the roses, and then ultimately carry that back to the city and town and give it to their loved one. So they have to put in all this effort just to bring one beautiful flower, a red colored flower that's fragrant for their lover. So it shows the time, the effort, the commitment you've put behind just getting one flower. And that's why it symbolizes love. This Valentine's Day, what do you think is something in the modern world that acts as a rose? Basically, is not a lot of value in terms of money or getting it is easy, but it shows that you've put in a lot of effort and work behind it, and hence it symbolizes love. Looking forward to hearing your answers in the comments, and happy Valentine's Day to all those of you who celebrate. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.